All right, kiddos, now we're factoring trinomials. These are ones we have a special formula for, which you can see above. The key thing is to identify what is being cubed, so we can insert those in for our A's and B's. So in the first one, x cubed, x is being cubed, and it's x cubed plus 8, so it's actually a 2 cubed. So everywhere I see a B in the formula above here, I'm going to insert a 2. Be mindful of the parentheses that I use so that you end up with a correct final result. So here our A is x, our B is 2. We substitute those into that formula, and that's going to give us that. Now notice that I put parentheses around here because our final form, especially if it's a different monomial inside the parentheses, we're going to have to apply our little squares exponent rules correctly. So I'm going to do that now. It gives us that as the final result, and that is it. So in the next one, I'm identifying what is being cubed to give me an 8x cubed. Well, a 2x times itself 3 times would give me an 8x cubed, and then 5 is the cube root of 125. So those are the two terms. These two here are what I'm plugging into that formula above. Doing so gives me this. Now notice these terms here have to be squared to simplify completely. Also, I'm going to rewrite the order of this so that the number's in front, obviously. So that gives us this. Now, if we were to solve one of these, we would collect all terms to the left side. We would factor as normal. And now if we're solving with that x that equals 0 here, we're going to set each factor equal to 0. So you set x plus 2 equals 0 is -2. Now to solve that trinomial, it is not factorable, so we're going to have to use the good old quadratic formula. So there's your U-try, and then you're going to have a couple U-tries in each of the other next videos. Take care.